Hey guys, welcome. For this video, I wanted to take you through how I prepare my carrots. Just here I got some Harris Teeter Organics here. If you are finding this video, there's a good chance you've already heard of carrot salad in some capacity. That is actually something Ray Peat made famous, recommending it for endotoxin issues. And I think carrot salad's great, it's just a pain to prepare. You know, you gotta shred each carrot all the way down. It's a lot of effort just to prepare one carrot's worth of it. So what I like to do is just peel like 4 or 5, maybe 6 carrots at a time, but don't shred them, and just leave them in the fridge like that, covered in vinegar and salt and pepper. Yeah, so you probably get, I don't know, like 95% of the benefits of carrot salad that way, and it's a lot more efficient. Because for me, I find I'm a lot better at sticking to healthy things like that when they're easy. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to cooking. Yeah. Got a ceramic peeler here, really like it. So just to go over some of the benefits of carrots in general, what's special about them is that they have very long fibers, and that since they grow underground, they've got very good antifungal and antibacterial properties, which is a great combination for something you're going to eat. Because once it gets to the intestine, and it's going to get there intact because so much of a carrot is indigestible fiber, once it gets there, the antimicrobial properties of the carrot are going to act to kill endotoxin. And the fiber in general is also going to help you carry toxins out of your body a lot faster. What happens is, if you don't have fiber in your diet, is that toxins that your liver is trying to get rid of, they're not going to get out fast enough through the intestines, so they're just going to build up there and you're going to end up reabsorbing them. And it's a very stressful process in the body. It's going to raise your estrogen and raise your cortisol. So you'll probably find you add a daily carrot in some capacity, it's going to lower your estrogen and lower your cortisol, and probably raise your progesterone in the process. In general, it's going to feel a lot better. And there's probably other fruits and vegetables that could get you similar effects. I know Ray Peat has mentioned bamboo shoots and mushrooms specifically. I like mushrooms a lot too. We'll probably go through that in another video. The carrots are nice and easy. They're cheap. You can eat them raw pretty safely, which you can't say for most vegetables, unfortunately, especially those that grow above ground. You gotta be careful doing that. Raw onions I like, but I don't think those are as fibrous. Alright, so we've got those peeled. I'll bring them over here. Rinse them off. Okay, it's good. Oh, it's another thing. In order to fit these into these two glass containers, I like to cut these in half, unless they're already really small. Now listen, I know some of you watching this, you might have some gripes about my cooking technique. I'm not trying to be Emeril Lagasse here, right? I'm just, this channel's about functional cooking, right? Yeah. So now, oh, peek in there. I'm gonna splash some apple cider vinegar on these. Crap. Shake those up and distribute it. Oh. All right, that's good enough. And finally, get a little bit of salt in here. And boom, we're done. So I will normally keep one of these tubs in the fridge at work. Probably have one or two of them at work throughout the day, and then maybe one at home. But yeah, and we've got a good 3-4 days of carrots here with, what was that, like 5 minutes of effort? Pretty good. Oh, another thing you could do with this is coconut oil. I'm currently trying a super low fat diet, so I'm not doing that right now. But it's a good thing to include if you don't care about that. And it's probably, you know, as most of you know, it's the best fat you can have, coconut oil. So, nothing wrong with that, of course. Oh, yeah, if you want to learn more about carrot salad or what Ray Pete has said about it, I think Danny Roddy has a good video on it too. You just search Ray Pete carrot salad, something will come up. I'll link a good video in the description too. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll clean up this mess I made.